interval. Class interval. And we have to find our frequency. Our class interval is what? 40 to what? 44. 45 to what? 49. 50 to what? 54. 55 to what? 59. 60 to 64. That's all. It's not more than that. So, how many numbers are in 40 to 44? 5.
Yes.
Numbers. How about 45 to 49? 9. And what? 10. And what? 5. And what? 1. And total frequency is what? 30. To find mean, we need summation fs over summation f. Here, our x is not clear enough. We have to find what? Class mark to get x. So, class mark. Class mark is the addition of the what? Class intervals divided by what? 2. So when you add 40 plus 44 divided by 2, you have what? 40 what? 42. And when you add
47.
divided by 2, you have 47, right?
Yes.
52. Next. 57. 62. So that's our x. Then fx. F times x. What do you have? 210. 420. 5 what? 420. This is 4 what? 423. 520. 285. 62. And when you add together, you have what? 500.
Yes.
So, 1,500 over 30. Your mean is what? 50. Beautiful. Find class boundary. Class boundary. Your class boundary is your class interval. Lower class interval minus 0.5, upper plus 0.5. So lower minus 0.5, you have what? 39.5 to what? 44.5. And 44.5 to what? 49.5. And 49.5 to what? 54.5. And 54.5 to what? 59.5. And 59.5 to what? 64.5. Plus fx over fx plus fy times c. Where your L is what? Lower class boundary of the modal class. And that's what? Let's define it. L is what? 49.5. Your fx is what? Difference between what? The frequency of the mode. That's 10. And the what? Frequency before. That will give you what? 1. Your fy is what? Difference between what? Frequency of mode 10 and what? And that is what? 5. And your c is what? Class sign. That's what? 54.5 minus what? 49.5. And that's what? That is 5. So your L here is what? 49.5 plus 1 over 5, 1 plus 5 times what? Times 5. That's 49.5 plus 5 plus what? 0. What?
17.
Times what?
5.
5. 49.5. That's what?
0.83.
0.83. And that'll give you what? 50 point what? 0.3. Thank you. What's median? Median is L plus N over 2 minus FC over Fn times what?
C.
Times C. Your FC is what? Cumulative frequency. So we need now to have our cumulative frequency. How do that? You have what? 5. Add up your frequency. 5 plus 9, that's what? 14 plus 10, you have what? 24 plus 5, you have what? 59 plus 1, you have what? You have what? This is what? 29, sorry, 29. And you have what? 30. So, your L is what? What's your median, first of all? Your median class. You have 30. So, median should fall in what? 15. 5 plus 9. That's 14. So, we don't have up to 15 here. 15 inside here. So, still on that class, we have our what? Median. The lower class boundary, there is what? 49.5. N is what? N over 2, that's what? 30 over 2. That's what? N over 2. That's what? 15. FC is what? Cumulative frequency before that median class. That's what? 14. And your Fn is what? Frequency of the median class is what? 10. And your C, 54.5 minus 49.5. You have 5. So we have what? 49.5 plus 15 minus what? 14 over what? Over 10. Over what? Times what?
5.
Times 5. 49.5 plus what?
1 over 10.
Huh?
1 over 10.
That's what?
0.1.
0.1 times 5.
0.5.
That's what?
0.5.
0.5. And when you add, you have what?
50.
50 as a what? Your median. That's upper quartile Q3 minus lower quartile Q1. Your Q3 is found at 3n over 4, and your Q1 is found at n over 4 each. And your 3n, now 3 times 30 times 30 over 4 is what? 22 point what? 5. And your Q1 is what? 30 over 4. That's what? 7.5. You get this here. 5 plus 9 plus 10. So you get that here. And this is our upper quartile class. And get 7.5 here. 5 plus 9. That's get here, right? So this is our what? Lower quartile class. Is LQ3 plus 3n over what? Over 4 minus FC Q3 over what? FQ3 times what? Times C. And that will give us what? Lower class boundary of that upper class, that's what? 49.5. Oh, we list out first. Okay, let's do the lower class boundary of the upper quarter, that's 49.5. FCQ3. Frequency before that class, that's what? 14. And FQ3 is what?
10.
Frequency of it, that's what? 10. So we do have what? 49.5 plus what? This is 22.5, got it that before, minus what? 14 over what? 10 times your C is what? 5. That's the difference in your what? Your class boundary. So times 5. So 49.5 plus what? When you minus what you get?
8.5.
8.5 times 5 by 10. What? 4.25. And when you add, you have what? 53.75 at the upper quarter. Your lower quarter is Q1. That's LQ1 plus N over 4 minus SCQ1 over FQ1 times C. And that, and look at the table. The class boundary of your what? The lower class is what? 39. No, sorry, 44.5. And I mean 44, yes, 0.5 plus you have what here? 7.5 minus the frequency what? 5 over what? Over frequency of it, you have what?
9.
Over, that's 9 times what? 5. 44.5 plus 2.5 times 5 divided by 9. 1.39. And when you add, that's the lower class boundary, and your interquartile range is what? 53.79. Lower class boundary 3.75. That's upper quartile minus what? Lower quartile 45 point what? 9. And you have what? 7 point what? 85. That's the interquartile range. Our mean was what? 50. We've done that before. So your deviation from mean, you know, so 50 minus 42, you have what? 8, and then 3, and then 2, and then 12. So frequency times your deviation. Frequency times deviation. Frequency times your deviation. 5 times 8. 40, 27, 20, 35, and 12. So we have to sum together the deviation. So when you sum what the S times division, that's what? 134. So our mean division is what? 134 over what? 50. And that gives what? Over 30, sorry. Your assumption F is 30, not 50. That gives 4 point what? 47. What? Summation what? F division squared over what? Summation F. So we square out division. Division squared. That's what? A squared is what? 64. 9. 4. 49.4. And times by what? By what? Frequency. That would 4 times what? 5. 3 what? 320 less 81 40 2 45 144. And when you add up, you have what? 830. So, summation frequency times division square is what? 830. Summation frequency is what? 30. And that give you what? 27 point what? 7. And that is your variance. Square root of what? Variance. Square root of what? 27.7. And that's what? 5.3.